about this. What's the biggest issue that businesses have? And if you could solve the biggest problem that businesses have, because businesses make way more money than normal people, right? If you could solve the biggest issue that businesses have, then you could charge a lot of money and you could make a lot of money. That's kind of how it works. Okay, let me give you an example. So, what is a business doing? Many a times, a business is providing services, products, whatever, to other businesses, right? Or people or something like that. But they are providing something or whatever to someone. And so when they are providing a service or a product to someone, let's say, what are a few of the things that could go wrong? A business that is already making money. Well, you would say if half of their people stopped working within that business, they would struggle, because how do they deliver a product or a service without people making the thing, providing the service, and giving a delivery, right? So that's one part of it. And any business owner knows one very important thing, and that is the business cannot see success until they've got A players. And what do I mean by A players? Well, they need to have good people working for them. If they don't have good people working for them, they're not going to see success. That's just how it is, right? So any business knows if they've got, it's like this. See a business like a football club, okay? If you've got the best of the best, you will see success. It's just how it is. A business is run in many ways similarly to a football club, right? And so let's say there's a position on the football pitch that just is super weak. It's going to be a leaking bucket. It's going to keep leaking and you're not going to see results, and it's going to mess up the formation. It's going to mess you up. And you have to think of this, right? If a business now is not delivering their products and services on time, right? Let's say a takeaway. I'll give three examples here. I'll give three. Let's say there's a takeaway and they've only got one person working in the takeaway, and therefore the food is not being delivered on time and it just takes ages. How often will you think about, let me go back, even though it just takes an hour and a half to get my food? You'll get a bit tired and you'll be like, man, forget it, because it just takes too long. Let's say you go into Asda, right? And they've only got one person working there, and you're like, bro, the queue is so long, it's just not worth it. So now the business starts losing customers. On another perspective, let's say now there is a business that is providing a product, a manufacturing product, to another business. Let's say there is an engineering company. They are providing a tool to BE Aerospace, or aerospace manufacturing company, a big aeroplane manufacturer, right? They just provide a small product. If the product doesn't get made on time and get delivered on time, that aeroplane manufacturer isn't going to use that business. So they lose their client, they lose their customer. That's what happens. The point here is, when the product or the service doesn't get delivered on time, that's exactly where businesses mess up. So any business knows that as long as they've got the right people, and as long as the people are getting the work done, they will see success and they will keep running. So one of the biggest problems for any business is their people. And that's where you can leverage, because if you understand that and if you understand the problem that you're solving, that is exactly how I and many others, they make a lot of money starting their own recruitment companies, because we understand the problem that businesses have. If you understand exactly what I've just explained, why a business has that problem, then you can make a lot of money starting a recruitment company. Because when you supply a recruitment company, you get a candidate, you supply them to the business, and you are the middleman. That is what you are. You're the middleman, and you get that candidate, supply them to the business, you charge 15%. So on £50,000 a year, I will charge 15% to the business to find this candidate as a finder's fee. So I make £7,500 getting this candidate to the business, and they happily pay me because they know it's a leaking hole within their business. They need it fixed, and they pay me £7,500, and they're very happy to do it. Right? By the way, if you are interested in learning how to start a recruitment company, I do a free session at the end of the month. Make sure you get your details down in the link in the bio. Free. It's 2 days of free knowledge where I will tell you exactly how to start a recruitment company. And if you're like, no, I just want to start right now, then you can have a call with one of our consultants. And the crazy thing is, our consultants, they have more experience than most people on social media when it comes to the business world, because my consultants actually have been running recruitment companies for more than 3-4 years. And those are the guys that you speak to, not Fugazi closers or random people. You speak to people who have actually started and ran recruitment companies for 3+ years minimum.